Do you want to convert visitors into qualified leads, display prices, schedule demos, and provide support without relying 100% on your agents? Today, you will create a conversational sales bot using Zia Skills in Zoho SalesIQ. Zia Skills is the skill platform with NLP to create conversational bots in Zoho SalesIQ. Instead of programming from scratch, you define actions that answer questions, read data, or perform operations such as qualifying a lead or scheduling a demo. In sales, this translates to ready-to-display pricing and plans, scheduling demos, requesting quotes, making comparisons, estimating ROI, and if needed, instantly connecting with an advisor. Log in to Zoho SalesIQ, go to the bot section and select Zobot. Click on Add, choose Zia Skills as the platform, give it a name. On the next page, provide a description and assign the brand, period. Departments, channels, and service hours. Save, and you're ready to configure your bot. Define whether the bot will attend to all visitors or only a segment, for example, people on pricing or product pages or by region. Set when the chat begins and adjust the response interval to make it seem like a natural conversation. If the visitor does not respond, you can activate an automatic reminder. Define the time, language, and a clear message in JSON format. This is useful for reactivating conversations and not losing potential leads. If your flow is short, you can disable it. Then, in follow-up actions, choose what the bot should do after the reminder. Continue chatting, leave the conversation open, or end the chat, send a polite closing. As a tip, use only one reminder to avoid being persistent. This way, the bot guides the user politely or provides a clear exit. Choose what to do when the visitor becomes inactive. For sales, we suggest end chat with a closing message if more than 5 minutes pass without a response. Forward chat if you qualified the lead and operators are available, or convert to missed chat if you just want to record the attempt without escalating it. Also, you can enable the option for the user to request to speak with an operator at any time. When the conversation is transferred to a human, activate the confirmation message. This helps set expectations and improves the experience. Zia Skills is Zoho's platform for creating bots with conversational intelligence. Once inside, select an existing skill or create a new one. Define the proactive message in JSON format and customize messages for cases such as operator unavailable, out of hours, and all busy. Always add a direct contact link to avoid leaving the visitor without a response. In the Zia Skills console, click on Add Action. Each action is a task that the bot can perform. Zia offers 2 types. Answer a question for simple and fixed responses, with the options of give a direct answer or build a response by retrieving data. You also have the option to perform an operation to execute actions such as scheduling or transferring. As you can see, for this example, we configured the following actions. View courses to display the course catalog. View free courses, which shows free courses. Schedule demo to schedule a meeting. Custom course in case the client needs tailored training, and the option speak with an operator. Each action includes name, invocation phrases, text response, and suggestions. At the end of each action, you can add follow-up suggestions to guide the user to the next step. You should only select existing actions. Use the test view in development mode to simulate conversations. When everything is ready, click on Deploy to Production to activate your bot on the website. Finally, you can view the version history and track invocations by action. Ready. With these steps, you now have an intelligent sales bot across your brand's various channels, available 24/7 to guide your visitors, showcase your services, and connect with your team when needed. And if you still don't use Zoho, this is your opportunity. I leave the link in the description so you can start for free with Zoho SalesIQ. If you liked this video, you can leave us a like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about Zia. See you in the next tutorial. Until next time.